Aragon Divemaster Titanium. That's what we have here today on my wrist. And this one is the mother of pearl variant. And we have a lot of variants in the collection. So this is my fourth titanium Divemaster of this exact same style. Some of them have different bezels. Some of them have different movements. All of them have different dials. So there is variations, but it's the exact same watch basically. But I really dig this watch. So let's take it off the wrist. Is the Aragon Divemaster Titanium Mother of Pearl. This has a Swiss Ronda R150, 25 jewel automatic movement. This is model A624. We have 45 millimeter case diameter, 13 mil thick, 51.5 lug to lug, and with female end links, 22 millimeter lug width, knurled signed screw down crown measuring at 7 millimeters, cog bezel with a tungsten bezel inserts, high polished hands and indexed with the high polished framer on the date, stuffed with Super-LumiNova, so you know it's gonna glow brightly. Full titanium case, bracelet, bezel, besides the tungsten bezel insert. Everything is titanium. The only thing that is not is the stamped upper, milled lower, push button deployant, 3 micro adjust clasp with lock. That is stainless steel. Everything else though is titanium. Exhibition case back, showing you that custom blue Aragon rotor. And then well on the case back we have the specs: wing engineered, Ronda R150 25 jewel Swiss movement, water resistant 200 meters or 660 feet, titanium case and bracelet, sapphire crystal, model A624. Then we got the Aragon Divemaster. Just a gorgeous watch. Super happy I got it. And like I said, I have a lot of these already. I have the GMT version, another R150, but has a meteorite dial. And then I have a NH35 version, which has the ceramic bezel. So let's put those all in the frame real quick so you can see them all. So this is a new one. Then we've got the Batman GMT sapphire bezel insert, blue dial. The sapphires, the lower half is black, upper half is blue. Then we have another tungsten bezel R150 movement, but this one is meteorite. So meteorite dial, black index and hands. And then we have the ceramic bezel, black dial. Let's scoot these all over. And this one is the NH35 version. But I love this watch, super comfortable. Since it's titanium, it's super lightweight. I like the bracelet design. I really like this watch. I love the cog style bezel. There's so much about this watch that I have to have every variant when it comes out. So I've got 4 different versions. They're all different, but kind of repetitive, impulsive, I guess you could say. But I'm happy that I just added this one to the collection. You know, I'm below entry-level Tommy, and I like Aragon as a brand. I like what they do, and I can't help myself. When something comes out new, the intro price is always great. So this one here, the price is $350 on the site, but they're offering a $100 coupon, so you get the watch for $250. Now you tell me anywhere where you get a sapphire crystal with the AR, tungsten bezel insert, full titanium case and bracelet, top tier mother of pearl dial, Swiss 25 jewel automatic movement, all for $250. I think this was $262 to my doorstep. You can't beat it. And anybody that wants to argue that, the only reason they may not like Aragon is because of the size. These are 45 millimeter. They are not small. I have an 8-inch wrist. They work just fine for me. But this is the smaller version. There's 45 and 50. So if you're a 40 millimeter or 36 millimeter watch wearer, obviously this is too big for you. But if you're wearing 42, 44 millimeter, this is 45. It fits great. I think 42 to 44 is my sweet spot. 45 works just perfect, especially with these being titanium. But I'll stop mumbling. We'll do a loom shot and we'll wrap the video up. There's the loom. Super-LumiNova BGW9 on the bezel. And then we've got the green loom on the indices and hands. Very good looking. Aragon never disappoints with their loom. Loom looks great. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next one.